Ha ka jingya lang ha Bihar, menta ka singi ka arpo santarik yayong, u Prime Minister Narendra Modi, ula berthen, ya ki le no ki badan kti, ha ka jing thombor, ha pahalgam, but ai ru ya ka khubor ka ba e, na ka benta ka perthei, paro ka way. Na Bihar, nga pentip sha ka perthei, ba ka India kanwat, bat penshitam, ya baro ki riyo kendu, bat ya kito ki bakar shan ya ki, ulaong. Ka India kanget, ba ka jing thombor ka de ka balale da ka jing yarap jongki shipai Pakistan. Ginwat yaki shadu ka bakut ka perthei. Ya ka minsiam jong ka India onam penjot. Bat ki kam le no kin omlan na ka jing sha penshitam. Baro ki jing pershang on pintikna ba ya ka hok lale. Kari baro ka way ka scam. Ha ka ni ka jing tumu bat baro ki banget ha ka long briu man briu ki long lembat ngi laong umudi.
Friends, today from the soil of Bihar, I say to the whole world, India will identify, track and punish every terrorist and their backers. We will pursue them to the ends of the earth. India's spirit will never be broken by terrorism. Terrorism will not go unpunished. Every effort will be made to ensure that justice is done. The entire nation is firm in this resolve. Everyone who believes in humanity is with us. I thank the people of various countries and their leaders who have stood with us in these times.